Hello. Welcome to this video. And the purpose of this video is to tackle my goals or everything about me and my dreams in life. So right now, I am gonna say unsay thoughts na ko karon, status na ko karon. Katong sa July 11 na ako diri. I did not expect na inani day akong situation. Sa tinuod lang gyud, hapit na ang ma-end ang this semester. And I wanted to apply for another job and to continue my studies. While studying, I'm working sa fast food chain. Sa tinuod lang, gaduha-duha ko because they said naswerte na daw ko because naana ko'y shelter, naana ko'y katulgan, naana ko'y free time, dayon na ako'y money, I could receive allowance 300 in a week. Pero there's something missing to myself. Feeling na ko, lahi gid akong kuling, and this is not my passion. I want to be in an environment wherein I could interact and observe other people too. Not just kada bitong magkiat-kiat, but just to have a sense of purpose ba. I feel like staying in here makes my life it dili kanang sugod na ako diri. I feel like dull akong life ba. Dull, boring, kada bitong dili colorful. Cause sa tinod lang akong study, I only in a day 1 to 2 hours, 3 hours a day ra jud akong klase, and most of them are virtual. 3 ka klase na ko virtual, ang duha kay face to face. So for me, in a week katulo kong makaadtog eskwelahan. Pero kana nga week gamay ra kayo dudto na pagpabalik sa balay. Eskwela na sad ko. Sa tunod lang ana sila nga the reason why we mas stress daw ta tungod kay atong grabihon og hunahuna atong mga problema, instead dapat atong grabihon ang paghunahuna sa solusyon instead of problema. Though nakabalo mo ko ana, pero sa tinuod lang ako magud kay na worry lang ko ba, and I don't want to be stressed kay ana bro. For me magud sometimes bitaw magka-anxiety ko. It is because, and also ma-depress ko because I often so isolated and feeling na ko I'm so lonely talaga. Kay dili kay ko naka-interact with other people, and feeling na ko naagyo ko sa priso here. So for me ba, I wanted to enjoy the life manggod. Like I'm 18 nga naanay ko diri July 11, July 12 dayon akong pagkaugma akong birthday. Instead of celebrating it with my family, I work, nagtrabaho ko. First, I'm so excited, I'm so enthusiastic sa akong job. Pero the moment na nagkadugay ko, wala akong energy and everything. Because I feel so like bitaw. Not just in the environment, but also the people around me. Dili sila makasabot sa kuha, and they don't give me the chance to experience a little happiness in my life. They often don't misinterpret me all the time. They misinterpret me, and I feel like I want to be in a place where I feel appreciated, valued while I am doing my best working. Ano bitaw? For me, I prioritize my mental health. Very important with ang mental health in my physical health. Because dili ka maka-function well kung dili sakto. Wala kay peace of mind, wala ka sa imong state of mind, di ba? And also sa imong body. For me, unsay na si mong utok, it affects your body, it affects your productivity in a day. Mo nang, if ever mohawa ko diri, I won't regret it. I won't regret it. They said na safety na akong life here. Kasi sa tinuod lang, mahal yun ang tuition. Pero in my case, no. That's why this video, I want to say na if you believe in yourself, that you don't afraid to fail, kaya yun mo. Everything you want in life will you receive, will you achieve if you believe in yourself and in God. I know na makaya na ko ang mga butang independently, and never jud ko ma-unsuccessful person. Daga na kayo nag-istorya sa ako negative feedback bitaw. Disappointed kay ko katong knowing na lalaki lingon siya nga pag eskwela daw magtarong para sweldohan daw mo for 600 in a day. It really, or 400 in a day, 600 ligito yung ingon. It really hurts me as a person knowing na inana iyang perspective ko. Inana iyang perspective, like inana na di ay kababaw inyong pagtingin sa life, inyong view sa life. Inana na di ay. Are we not allowed to dream big? Na naman mo, libre ang mangarap. Libre. Walay bayad ang mangarap. Why you are hindering us from dreaming big, achieving something brighter and kana bitong kuan? Though I'm not being unrealistic kasi tinod lang, let's be real, no. Dili dapat na maging delusional lang yun. Unrealistic nga mga goal. Dapat yun mag-set ko goal. Set a goal. Realistic yun na. Pero in my case, bito, I feel like kaya na ko yun. Mangita ko ways. Diskarte ko. Nawala bito ko'y inaapakan na tao. Diskarte ko nga naagya pong ko'y self nga value na ko self gyapon. Nagip ko dignity sa akong self. Value na ko akong self despite of the diskarte na ako ang image good gihapon. Walay bad good nga akong makuan. Kasi na past few months, I've been doing something that dili siya acceptable. Like, I'm doing something na impulsive behavior. You know, impulsive. Kana bitong buhat kag action nga wala kag gahuna-huna sa consequences ana. And then after you did that action or decision, you feel guilty, din mag-anxiety na din ka, depression na din ka. That's what I did. Mo nang ako right now, I'm learning how to think before I do or to make a decision in my life. That is what I did right now. And it really struggled me and ana sila nga. If you are smart, you think fast. You can generate idea fast and accurately and in a right way na masolve ang problema. Instead of worrying, you focus on the solution of the problem instead of worrying. Ano, emotional intelligent ba? Pero as ako ang case, bitaw, I'm not really sure if I could continue my studies or sa tinod, daghan ko og advantage working here as a working student. Daghan ko wala yun dili na mabaryan. It is because tungod kay I'm working student. Pero sometimes I could receive harsh words coming from them. And it really hurts me. Feeling na ko, gidunggab akong hard every time said that to me. I just want to I just wanted to kuan bitaw. Dili na ko makita gid guys. Manang the purpose of this video is to reflect. Gusto ko mag self-reflect ba. Na kani gyud, kani nga decision gyud, ako gini siyang gihunahunaan. Ako gini siyang gihunahunaan gyud nga um as I go and leave this work, wala ko'y regret. Safety na ko tanan. If dili man gay ko ka-find og job quickly, dili ko maka-enroll quickly, then it's okay lang. Siguro, I need to stop school first. After that, mag-find sa akong work. Dayon, itigom na ko akong money. Asan ako na itigom? Sa ako ang ATM or bank na ko. Okay. If I were going to work in a fast food, it requires ATM man. So, na possibility nga, dili na ko i-withdrawon tanan ako sweldo. Ako lang itigom. Tigom para na ako'y pangbayad sa akong tuition. Next. Kung mo-enroll na ko next year. So, sa tinuod lang, ako lang yung goal karon is to diskarte lang yun. Diskarte lang yun ka para maka-achieve ka or maging successful ka. Ang opportunity mo duol sa imuha. Dili ka magbukod sa opportunity kung dili mo duol sa imuha because you have that attractiveness and the power, charisma na kay self-confidence, na kay leadership skills, na makaya nimo communicate nila without being shy. Na dili ka ma-afraid na i-judge ka sa ibang tao because you knew yourself. You knew yourself that you are strong. You're capable in everything you want in life. You want to achieve. If you want to speak in front, you're not afraid of it because you believe in yourself. Sana ba? Kabalo ka, bisang unsa pa may goal dira. Ang ato ra yung main goal yun, mapaingon is to be financially stable. To have financial freedom. And to have network wherein you become known na successful. And at the same time, makakontribute ka sa world, sa people around you. Inana man gyud akong main goal. Dili may gusto nga inanir ako, yayar ako. I will waste my time being in here, depending on someone else, income. I don't want to be like that. And I hope you listen to my side too. Hindi ito maging one-sided mo. I need you to listen to me too. Because for me, my mental health is, I don't know, unsa siya. Because sometimes, mag-breakdown ko, mahilak ko. And ma-observe na ko na I'm so emotional ba. And I also observe na maka-question ko sa akong self na healthy pa ba ko? Healthy pa ba ko? Healthy pa ba ka self? Healthy pa ba ka? Ana akong question sa akong life. Inana akong question sa akong self. I'm feeling so lost. Di ko na alam talaga. Every time I open up to my akong kauban, she doesn't listen to me. Instead, she judged me and she invalidated my feelings. And as a friend, and as a fellow working student niya, masakitan ko knowing na inana di siya kuan treatment towards me, perspective towards me. Kanang dili niya invalidate, dili siya makasense sa ako ang feelings, di siya makaread sa akong feelings, yung akong emotion, dili niya gina-invalidate, thinking na, no, Ano bitaw, you're just acting overly. Ano bitaw, like, it really hurts me na knowing na I'm really in a wrong. Malas kay ko knowing na naa ko sa people or environment nga wala ko i-appreciate. Wala i-appreciate ko as a person. I-disrespect ko. Sometimes, singhagan pa ko, ura gani, murag si kinsa, ura o amo, dito sa amo. Ano ba, like, for me, manggod, I really value myself. I truly believe that I'm more than what they think of me. Ano bitaw? And I want that to, ako, gusto na ko nga ipakita na ko sa ilaha. Ito prove nila ba? I-prove nila na, okay, you judge me because this is what I do. Sometimes I make mistakes. Ana-ana, imo kong i-take advantage, i-exploit ko nimo, i-manipulate ko into thinking na I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy. Ana, just because I'm just being nice to you, I'm being nice to you and I avoid chaos. You think of me like that? Thinking na wala ko'y future, nana-ana ka sa kuha, you judge me, it really hurts me as a person. Ngay nana di kag thinking sa kuha, pero since I know na